Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brian. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile phone as a router to share internet connection, to provide internet connection for your with your computer even if you don't have a Wi-Fi capability on your computer. All right, there are basically three different methods you can use and I'm going to show you in a bit. So first you go to settings. Let's go to settings and explore these three different methods. Number one, you're going to see it first of all here, Wi-Fi hotspot, but I will show you all three in one place so that it will make it easy. Okay, I go to hotspot and tethering. Now the first is USB tethering. That is in case you don't have Wi-Fi if you don't have your computer doesn't have Wi-Fi capability or Bluetooth or so. You use a USB, get a USB cable, you connect it, and as soon as it's connected, you will see this option will come up. Without a USB connection, it will be blurred, okay? But now that it is connected, you can easily switch it on like that, and boom, your you're gonna have to wait for it to install on your PC, and then it's done. You have internet connection on your computer. I'll turn that off. Okay. Then the second now is Bluetooth. You can share your internet connection with any Bluetooth enabled device. First you have to pair up. You have to pair the device. When you pair it, then you turn this on. Okay, you turn this feature on, then as long as the device remains paired, it will have internet connection through this phone, through the particular phone. Thank you. All right, then now the most popular one is through Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi hotspot. This is it. My Wi-Fi hotspot is off for now, and then here you can create a hotspot with security features. And then we just come to setup Wi-Fi hotspot. In this case, the name is IP32. That is the model of this phone. You can change it and write something else. You can change it and write. Let me just put Brytech. Yeah. And then you choose your security, WPA2, and then you save it. All right. And then for password, let's go back there. For password, it usually comes with a default password, but in this case, my password, I've changed it to 123. All you have to do is just clear it, and then you write a new password, and then you save it. You save it. After saving it, if you turn this on, it's coming up. It's coming up. Voila, it's gone. So with some devices, you just scan the QR code. Some and then you connect, and then but here this is it. You see tethering or hotspot is active, and then 0 device is connected for now. So if you have another device or you go on your computer and you just turn on Wi-Fi, you're going to see this phone's name, and you input the password that you edited, and then you're ready to browse and surf the internet. Thank you. If that's helpful, please like and give it and subscribe. And if there are any questions, you can add them up in the comment area. Thank you.